is so epic. Those are the first lions I've seen in trees since I've been in Kenya. The lioness has decided that she's done with the floor. She's now becoming a leopard, and she's going to climb right up into the top of that tree. That's amazing. And they're nice strong branches too, so it quite easily support their weight. Actually, they look very comfortable. It's hard to believe that there are 3 of those cats in that tree. This is not going to work very well. Actually, I might eat my words this morning again. Perhaps he's going to do the twist and spin and then leap off. We'll have to rate him. He's not too far off the ground. He's less than a meter away. The shimmy down. Well done. Oh, there we go. We'll give the little lion a round of applause. That was actually very graceful.
Want to continue your safari? Subscribe to Safari Live and the adventure continues, because the safari doesn't even end here. If you want to jump on board with our live safaris, all you have to do is click the bell below.